alegria. Let's see. A lot of people on the net, when they show how to use the slide rule, they don't go over the exponents. And exponents allow you to actually use the slide rule. Slide rules, I'm doing this all in one take because Linux video things kind of suck, but what you have is you have exponents that are controlled by these, and then you have exponents that are generated by the slide rule itself. And at the end of the day, you just add them all up. So this would be a E1, this would be E2, actually E1 itself, and then the slide rule would generate one, probably 0, and you'd add them all up. And let's see. You don't need to be able to see the graduation, you just need to see the actual position of the rule. So 32 times 15. Okay, that's 4.8. Okay, and let's see, if the slide rule, if you move the cursor to the right to make the setting, then you add 0. But if you hang from here and move to the left with the cursor, then you have to add 1 to the actual slide rule generated exponent. So, but in this case you didn't have to. So you put a 0 there over the equals mark. That's what I do. Okay. Now for the powers, the exponents of 32 is 1, 15 is 1. See, that's 15 is 1.5 times 10 to the first. So 32 is 32, 3.2 times 10 to the first. So 1, okay, plus 0. There's your answer, 4.8 E2. Now, 82 times 33. See, you have to start from here. 82. Yeah, 82 times 33. $27.1. Yeah, 27.1. 2.71. Okay. Now, since you had to hang it from here and move the cursor to the left to find the mark, you add 1. The slide rule added 1 on its own. So. Okay. See the 1 over the equal sign? That's what I do. Okay. 82 would be E1. 33 would be E1. Okay. And so you add them all up. See? Alright. Now, here's something that you see commonly in engineering. Well, engineering student work anyways. 15 e minus 2, 83 e minus 5. So that 15 will have a 1. The e minus 2 counts for negative 2. 83 counts for 1. E minus 5 counts for negative 5. So I'll go ahead and write them down here. 1 minus 2 plus 1 minus 5. Okay, like this. Okay, do is you have 83. Since you have to hang it from here and move to the left, that means the slide rule will add 1 on its own. 83. Yeah, 83 times 15. Uh, 1.245. Yeah, 1.245. E, well, there's plus 1. Okay, this is what it looks like before all the additions. 1.245 E, and you notice the plus 1 from the slide rule. Alright. Plus 1 cancels out to -2. And then, so -4. That's -5 plus 1. Okay, 1.245 E minus 4. And we can check this on the calculator. Times 15, yeah, 4.8 E2. So 4.8 E2 is correct. 82 times 33. 2.706 E3. Well, I got close, see, but it's 2.71 E3. That's close enough. And 15 second E minus 2 times 83 second E minus second E minus 5. There we go. Right on the dot. 1.245 E minus 4. Okay. So to recap, the slide rule can add a number, but here it adds nothing. So you just keep on. Let's see. Yeah. So if it starts from here and you have to move the cursor to this way to read the answer here, then you add 1. And if you start from here on the left side here, and then you move the cursor up to the right to find your number, then you add nothing. And that's basic multiplication.